In today's video, we are going to show you how to post items on Vinted so you can start selling fast. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials and then hover to the top right corner where you can see the option that says Sell Now. Click on it and you will be forwarded to a new page. Now here, you need to upload some photos, okay? Now, you want to make sure to upload clear pictures of the item, take photos from different angles. You need to include the title, describe your item, and if you wanted to put in the category, for example, is it going to be like a streaming device? Is it for men or women, kids, electronics? Now, I'm going to choose entertainment under video because this is a tutorial. Okay, so here, you can put in a specific price for that. Let's say we have it around this. You need to select the package size. Is it going to be like small for items that fit in a large envelope, medium, large, and a lot more. Now, once you are happy with that, all I have to do is super simple. Click on the upload button. Okay. And of course, you need to select the condition. Now, in this, it's going to be very good. This tutorial is super helpful for you guys. And then again, click the upload button. Once you are happy with that, okay, the item will be under subject for approval. And if you want to list another item, you can do so. But if you want, you can also click the later on. Alright, and basically that's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.